Jensen, of course, kasama ko po ngayon, the manager of Ayurveda Spa. Please welcome Miss Annalisa Quizon. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon.
Ayan. So, ma'am, what is Ayurveda Spa? Can you tell us something about that? And when did you start this business?
Ayurveda is a 5,000-year-old health system from India. It derived from Indian terms, Ayu, which means life, and then Veda, which means science. So, in shorter definition, Ayurveda is the science of life. So, we started in Jensen last June of 2008, and it is a franchise from Davao City.
Okay, madam. So, ano po ba ang mga services ninyo na ino-offer sa ating mga client?
Meron po kaming 7 different services. Tatlo po doon yung whole body massage. Una po yung dry juicy massage. It's a 1-hour session, and then it is called dry juicy massage because we are using a dry mist oil. Meaning hindi po siya managit sa katawan, nag-absorb po siya sa skin, and it does a very good effect sa skin. It moisturizes the skin. And then we also have the Abhyanga Detox Massage. Yung difference po nila sa dry juicy massage is that yung Abhyanga po, ginagawa po ng 2 therapists. So, mas mabilis po siyang matapos ikumpara mo dun sa dry juicy massage. And then, synchronize po yung strokes nila. And then, yung panghuling whole body massage po namin is yung hand-on massage. Instead of using the hand, ginagamitan po namin ng water-heated na volcanic stone. So, it's more relaxing at saka yung sinasabi nila pampatanggal daw po ng mga panuot or yung hangin-hangin na sabi sa katawan. And then, we also offer the Ayurvedic facial. So, unlike other facial, ang ginagamit po namin is yung mga botanical-based po na products for the facial scrub, for the facial mask, and the moisturizer. So, hindi po siya chemical-based. So, very safe po siya sa skin. And then, ginagamitan rin po natin ng steamer and 5-in-1 facial equipment. And then, we also offer the Brahmi, the warm oil scalp massage. Ito naman po, ginagamitan natin ng virgin coconut oil. And then, nagko-concentrate po siya talaga sa scalp natin. Ang effect po niya is pampatanggal po ng stress and then pampaganda po ng tulog ng tao. And then, we also offer the Maharishi foot massage. Compared to other foot massage, kaya po medyo expensive lang po yung foot massage namin dahil before the massage, may nilalagay po kaming 3 products. Ito po yung foot scrub, and then we have the foot cream, and then the foot blush. So yung foot scrub po, pampa-exfoliate ng skin, and then yung foot cream is pamparelax po ng muscles, and then yung foot blush po, pampatanggal ng cracking sa back.
Saan pa ba tayo pupunta para makapag-refresh at para makapag-relax dito sa Jensen? Siyempre dito lang sa Ayurveda Spa. Dahil dito sa Ayurveda Spa, aside from quality na, affordable pa.